In this video, I'll show you how to automate client reminders in Dubsado so you can save time and never worry about missed deadlines. Step 1. Go to your workflows. Inside Dubsado, head to the Workflow tab and create a new Workflow tab for your project type. Step 2. Add reminder emails. Choose Send Email as an action, then set it out as a certain number of days before an appointment, payment due date, or project milestone. Step 3. Use triggers so you can trigger reminders based on events, like contact, signed, invoice due, or even before a scheduled call. Step 4. Personalize with smart fields. Add client names, dates, and project details automatically so every reminder feels personal without extra work. Step 5. Test your workflow. Always preview and test your reminders to make sure they send at the right time with the right info. And that's it. With automated reminders in Dubsado, you'll boost client communication, reduce no-shows, and keep project on track hands-free. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.